Wobbly dobbly dancers, I'm Daniel Waters and today I have a super special surprise for you. I'm here with my friend Mary Lou.
Hi dancers! My name is Mary Lou. I'm so excited to be here. I'll be teaching a heels choreo today, beginner friendly. We'll be dancing to Stateside by Pink Panthers and Zara Larsson. Okay dancers, let's get started. So starting position, we have open legs and our weight is going to be on the left side. We're going to go hips. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5, 6, 7, 8. Shift your weight back to the left and we're going to repeat. So it's going to go right, left. Hands are going to go out to go around and around. So we're going to do that twice. She goes, ah, and that's when we're going to do the hips. So ready? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on, we just finished 2 8 counts of those hips and body rolls. We're going to go, what can I say? What can I do? So we're here. We open 1, 2, 3, 4. Open 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, let's just repeat that. Open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And make sure that you present yourself well. We're going what, not what, hunchback. Make sure you present yourself well. So let's go from the top. We go 5, 6, 7. Go hip 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 5, 6, 7. Again, hip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, any questions, dancers? I hope it's feeling good. Make sure to transfer all of your weight to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Really exaggerate it. Don't keep it in center. Make sure you hit to the right, to the left. The same thing with the hips. Hit all the points. Hit your butt against every point of the wall. Okay? Let's move on. So we just went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go 1, 2, chest, 3, 4. Again, we were back in bevel. We go 1, 2, where our chest is going to come forward and our hands are going to cross and then slide down our body. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to blow a kiss. 5, 6, 7, 8. So she goes, what can I say? What can I do? I'll be that girl that you're talking to. And then she goes again, you're talking to. You're talking to. Again, slow. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Kiss. 5, 6, 7, 8. Feeling good? Okay, moving on, dancers. This is 7, 8. You're talking to. She goes, you can be my American. We're going to rotate our feet to our left corner, our left angle. So we hear, you're talking to. Rotate the feet. You can be my American. So we rotate the feet. We bend over. Our hands come down the back of our legs and then come up the knees. You can be my American. You're going to fan yourself. Ha, 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 just 3 times. You can be my American. Ha, ha, ha. And we're going to fan ourselves because we're super hot. So make sure you fan yourself. Again, you can be my American. 1, 2, 3. That's actually count 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that fan is more of a chest up and down, and then the hands come into your face and out, in and out. A little awkward, but we'll get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, ha, ha, ha. Moving on, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's go back a little bit. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We step back with our left leg and slide with our right, and then we're going to grab our leg with our right hand. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit, 7. So it's going to go on the face. Okay, let's backtrack from You Can Be My American. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, mouth 7. One more time. A little faster. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, mouth 7. Any questions? One more note from the last part we just learned. The fanning ourselves, we're going to hold the count 8. So this is 5, 6, 7, and then you kind of hold the 8, and then it's like a breath, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, mouth 7. Very good. Let's move on. So this is 7. We're going to prep 1, 2. Then you're going to toss the right hand. Give it some sassy attitude. This is prep. Your right leg and your right arm is going to both go around and up. So this is 1, 2, toss 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, from the mouth, this is 7. We prep. Our weight is going to be on our left leg. Then we're going to toss to the right. You can even add some hair, do a little head, make it dramatic. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. And for those walks, 1, 2, 3, 4. For our walks, make sure your hip is hitting our right side of the wall, and then again on our left. Make it big, make it dramatic. From the prep, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. I hope you guys are feeling good so far. From the knee part, let's prep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, hit 7, 8. Very good. Let's move on. So from here, from our bevel, we do our little booty. We're going to open to center, and then our hand is going to toss to the right, and we're going to look back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back from the booty. 7, 8. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make that big. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do a booty roll. We're going to go to the right, to the back, to the left, and the hands are going to come to our hips. So this is 7, 8, toss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, because she mentioned something about us two or being with two, so we're going to go 2. Again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, booty, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on, we walk 1, 2, 3, 4, fan, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hands, 5, 6, open, 7, and then the music breaks, and then you're living your best life. So that's the end of the choreo, but let's go back a little. So we're here, 7, 8, toss, 1, 2, 3, 4, booty, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, open, 7. So yeah, the hands are going to be the same on the second part because it's like a little chorus. So this is the fan, 3 times, 5, 6, 7. We're going down and up, and then the same styling, right, left, and open. And it's kind of a little bouncy. You can switch the legs on that part. 5, 6, 7. And that's the end. Okay, dancers, let's get started. Let's do a full run through with counts. Let's do it slow. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What can I say? What can I do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kiss 5, 6, 7, 8. Down the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mouth 7. Prep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6. Booty 7, 8. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Booty 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Living our best life. Okay, dancers, that's a wrap for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the choreo. If you liked my style and the choreo for today, make sure to follow me on GATITA HEELS on Instagram, where I share all my heels class information. And make sure to subscribe and like Daniel Waters' channel. Bye, guys!